Alright, wasn't really going to film this, but something came up and I thought I would share. First of all, I spent the day, got the engine that was in this car over here, strapped it up. Didn't even bother, just took the torque converter out, didn't even bother trying to fiddle with it. So you just go in easier. It's got a couple of bolts, used a couple of the EF Sedan, used that one, that side engine bolt. Actually, it's the transmission. I used the transmission bolt. And on this side, I didn't use anything. That side, I used the regular one. That ain't got nothing. But back there, it's still hooked up. So I figured I got 1, 2, 3 major points. So that'll be enough to tow it. But what I stumbled across was this guy down here. Take that nut out. And you've got this piece right here, which oddly enough, if I come over here, spaces out perfectly so that this one drops into that hole and that one drops into that hole. Where am I? Here I am. That goes into that one. I don't know if you can see it, but that lines up with that guy. So what I'm thinking is I might, since this is about the same thickness, I'm gonna try and use this as a spacer that might work. Wouldn't that be crazy? So I'm using the bottom half of the top transmission mount, the bottom half, in cahoots with that original 96 EX, which is right here. The bottom half and that might line up. I got my thing right here, so I'm just gonna jack up my engine and see if it works. If that works, that'd be insane. The custom bracket just on the other side of the engine. So we'll see. I don't know.